Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, today's our story is an emotional love story. This story is about true love and patience, long distance pain and misunderstandings, silent sacrifices and emotional waiting, healing, forgiveness, and second chance. So, dear friends, it is requested that please watch the full video and subscribe our channel. My dear friends, so let's go to the story. In a small town surrounded by fading trees and half forgotten roads, there stood an old clock tower. Its paint had peeled away, its bell cracked with age, yet it continued to ring every evening at exactly 6 o'clock. The people of the town said the clock was stubborn. It refused to stop, even when time had already moved on. For Ahil, that clock was not just stone and metal, it was memory. And for Naira, it was a promise that was never spoken, yet never broken. Ahil, a boy who learned responsibility too early. Ahil grew up faster than most boys his age. His father passed away when he was 17, leaving behind debts, a sick mother, and a young sister who still believed the world was kind. Overnight, Ahil became the man of the house. Dreams were folded and placed somewhere deep inside him where they wouldn't interfere the survival. He worked during the day at a small printing shop and studied at night. Sleep became a luxury, smile became rare, and hope becomes something he didn't dare to ask for. People saw him as strong. They didn't see how tight his heart was. Naira, a girl who believed in forever. Naira lived just 3 streets away from Ahil's house. She was known in the neighborhood for her gentle nature and her habit of helping everyone, even when she had little herself. She believed deeply in love, not the dramatic kind, but the quiet kind that stayed even when things became difficult. Her mother often warned her, life doesn't work the way stories do. But Naira believed maybe stories were written by people who had lived where their story began. Ahil and Naira met in college. She sat behind him in class and borrowed his notes one day when she was sick. When she returned them, she had neatly rewritten everything and added small explanations in the margins. You didn't have to do all things, he said. She smiled. I wanted to. That was the first time I had felt something warm in his chest after a long time. Slowly, their friendship grew. They studied together, walked home together, shared tea at the same roadside stall. Naira listened when Ahel spoke, and Ahel spoke more because Naira listened. Love that grew quietly. Their love didn't explode, it grew silently. Ahel noticed how Naira remembered small details about him, his mother's medicines, his sister's favorite sweets. The day when he felt more tired than usual. Naira noticed how Ahil always walked on the roadside closer to traffic, how he silently paid for her tea, how he worried about everyone but himself. One evening, under the old clock tower, Ahil finally said the words he had been holding inside. I don't have much to offer, he said honestly. My life is complicated. Naira didn't hesitate. I don't need much, she replied. Just honesty. That night, love chose them both. For a while, life felt kind. Ahel completed his studies. Naira dreamed of becoming a teacher. They talked about marriage, not with excitement, but with responsibility. But reality doesn't knock gently. Ahel received a job offer in a distant city. The salary was good, good enough to clear debts, treat his mother properly, and secure his sister's future. But it meant living. When he told Naira, she smiled bravely. This is important, she said. You should go. You are not afraid? He asked. She looked away. I am, but I believe in us. They promised to stay connected. They promised time wouldn't change them. They promised love was stronger than distance. They didn't know how heavy promises could become. Distance changes the sound of love. At first, they talked every day. Calls turned into messages. Messages turned into short replies. Short replies turned into silence. Ahil worked longer hours. Responsibilities increased. Exhaustion consumed him. Naira waited. She waited for calls. She waited for replies. She waited for reassurance. But waiting slowly turned into loneliness. One night, she finally asked, are we still the same? Ahel replied late. I'm just tired. He wasn't lying, but he wasn't telling the whole truth either. The misunderstanding that changed everything. Months passed. Ahel stopped sharing his struggles, afraid Naira would feel burdened. Naira stopped sharing her pain, afraid she would sound demanding. Silence filled the gaps love once occurred. One evening, Naira heard rumors that Ahil was close to someone at work. She didn't believe them until she saw a picture online. Ahil standing beside a woman smiling. It wasn't the smile that hurt, it was the absence of explanation. She called him again and again. No answer. That night, Naira made the hardest decision of her life. She stopped calling. The goodbye that was never spoken. Weeks later, Ahil finally called. Why didn't you tell me you were struggling? Naira asked. Why didn't you trust me enough to wait? Ahil replied. Pain turned into pride. Love turned into silence. They say goodbye without saying goodbye, and both believed the other had moved on. Life after love. Year passed. Ahel succeeded professionally. His family was stable. People praised his achievements. But at night, he still looked at his phone, hoping for a message that never came. Naira became a teacher. She smiled for her students. She lived for her parents. She loved when required. But her heart remained when she left it under the old tower. 7 years later, Ahel returned to his hometown for his mother's health checkup. The town looked smaller, quieter, and the clock tower still rang at 6. Naira stood there, holding a bag of groceries. Time froze. "Your bag?" she said. "Yes," he replied. "I didn't know how much I missed this place until I left it." They walked together, awkwardly at first, then slowly, like old times. "I never stopped loving you," Naira said quietly. "I just stopped waiting." Ahel's voice broke. "I waited every day. I just didn't know how to come back." Truth finally spoken. They talked for hours about misunderstandings, about fear, about silence that ruined everything. "I thought you chose someone else," Naira admitted. "I thought you deserved better than my struggles," Ahil replied. They realized love didn't fail, communication did. Love rewritten. This time they didn't rush. They rebuilt trust slowly. They spoke openly. They chose honesty over fear. One evening, under the same clock tower, Ahil held Naira's hand. "I can't promise a perfect life," he said, "but I promise I won't disappear again." Naira smiled, tears shining. "I don't need perfection," she said. "I need presence." Their waiting finally ended. The clock struck 6, and for the first time, it didn't feel like time was running out. It felt like time had finally come home. Because some love stories are not about staying together from the beginning, they are about finding your way back after learning what it truly means to lose.